We're going to do a generational reading for boomers. Post below something nice that you remember about your generation that others can relate to. This is for boomers. You got Snow Leopard, self-reliance. You are strong, independent, and often solitary. Integrity is important for your best outcome. Cloak yourself with invisibility and walk with the shamans. Use your intuition and let your life unfold in silent perfection. There you go, boomers. That was your message. See you in the next reading. Bye.